Welcome back. Today we're exploring another incredible tool from Ai ToolsE, the Audio Converter AI. Let's launch the tool and check out how it can transform your audio workflows with zero limits. This completely free tool runs directly in your browser, featuring premium options like volume normalization, vocal removal, and audio trimming. Plus, it works entirely offline with zero quality loss. Let's hit Launch Audio Converter to open our workspace. Simply click Select Files and drop in your audio track. As you can see, our file is loaded and ready to configure instantly. You can preview your audio right here on the built-in player. On the right, select your target output format, customize your sample rates, or tweak the bit rates to perfectly balance file size and studio quality. Need precise adjustments? Head over to the Advanced Settings. Here, you can enable professional volume normalization or set exact custom values for your audio fade-ins and fade-outs. You can even clean up your track's metadata fields, like the title and artist name, ensuring your final downloaded file is neatly organized and ready for your library. Once your parameters are dialed in, just click Initialize Conversion. Thanks to powerful WebAssembly technology, the local encoding finishes in seconds with zero server lock. And there you go. Play your newly processed audio to hear the flawless quality, then hit download to save it straight to your device. Streamline your audio edits safely and privately with Ai ToolsE.